Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio. Today we're going to review the account of Daouda. Daouda joined our funded trade program last 27th of August and hit his first 10% target on the 16th of November. So first of all, congratulations on the results, and let's now have a look at the journey with us, how it has been. So from the equity line, we can see that Daouda held a loss on his account. It was first up on his account, and something happened, and it was down between 2 and 4% on his account throughout September and also October. Yes, we can see here up to mid-October, when basically it went from -4.02%, just one way up to his first 10% target on the 16th. So a very good recovery, we can say. From the statistics, what can we say? What can we see? An average daily return of 0.13%, a monthly return of slightly more than 4%, with a drawdown floating of 5.50%, which is not too bad actually. Let's have a look also at the advanced statistics. So in total, from the 27th of August, Daouda took 530 trades with a profitability rate of 83%. Very good winning ratio, very good winning rate. We can see here an average win of 9.47 pips and an average loss of 23 pips. But since the outstanding, I can say, winning rate is still basically managed to be profitable. So regarding the best trades and the worst trades, let's have a look. His best trade in terms of dollar was on the 23rd of October. He gained $121, while on the 25th of September he lost $315. In terms of pips, we can see how the worst trade, I believe it was the same, because he lost 159, 160 pips, we can see. And his best trade in terms of pips was on September the 1st. He gained 68 pips. From the summary, we can see how the vast majority of his trades were done on the pound dollar, on the cable. In fact, we can see here 201 position, that basically on which he gained 820 pips, resulting in a profit of $1,202. Very good. Also here we can see 708 pips gained on the pound Swiss franc in 95 positions opened, and result of $776. Very good. That's really good. And also let's have a look at the negative side. Yeah, we can see here 155 pips lost on the 54 position open on the euro pound, on which he lost $226. Okay, what I wanted to have a look at is the journey of Daouda. In fact, we can see when he first started at the end of August, of course, he was down, but he just joined on the 27th, so it was just a couple of days actually. September, we saw that from the equity line that actually was not really a good month. In fact, it was down on his account between the 2 and 4%, and then we can see how things start to change in October. In fact, we noticed that from his equity line that from mid-October he started basically his way to the 10%. And in fact, in October we can see how he gained 7.76% on his account and 9% on the month of November. That of course is not over yet. Let's have a look at the duration of his trades, and we can see an average trade length of just 3 hours and 50 minutes. And in fact, from the scatter plot, we can see how here we can see a vast majority of position held for, yeah, definitely less than 18 hours, and just few more held for longer. Maybe too many losing trades. So Daouda, maybe for next time, try to cut your losing trade shorter, but the results is still amazing thanks to the really high winning ratio that Daouda has, 83%. Very well done, very good. And of course, it was a very good recovery that we can see from mid-October here up to the 16th of November, when he first hit his 10% target. Very well done. Again, congratulations, and we look forward to do the second review for your account.